Hey everybody, and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. It's been a couple months since I've made a video. I'm glad to be back. Hoping to bring you guys a lot of value with my videos. You might be asking why I took a couple months off because I had just started this channel and I think I had made about 10 or 11 videos and gained about 27 subscribers. And if I had kept going with the momentum, I'd probably be in a lot better place with the channel right now. But I chose to take the last couple months off. The holidays were coming up. I traveled with my family, and I was also focusing on some of my businesses online that I wanted to focus on them, get results, and so I could bring them to Teach Me Money Methods, this channel, so I can bring more value and teach you guys what I'm doing in several different businesses, in publishing and teaching courses online and affiliate marketing, different things, so I can start bringing these videos to you and showing you and teaching you. That's what the whole point of this channel is to teach you how I'm making money, not just using a YouTube channel, which you guys can see, this is a brand new YouTube channel, so I'm not making any money off this YouTube channel. But what I want to try to do is teach the viewers of this channel and the subscribers of this channel how you can build different income streams online, and there's several different ways. So in this video I wanted to give you a quick update over the last couple months, what's happened to my Udemy account. On Udemy, my income report, I earned in the last 2 months, so in November and December, I actually earned the same amount in those 2 months that it took me the entire year before that to make. So in other words, it took me 12 months to make about $1,000. And then in 2 months, in November and December, I made $1,000 off of basically one class that I have posted. I do have 3 classes posted on the account. I am going to go into one in another video on how I did my keyword research for that and how it's ranked #1 for its main keyword. And I have gotten some sales on that and some 5-star reviews, so it's starting to take off. And I want to show you guys how you guys can do that as well. So so again, November, December, and January, I'm off to a really good start as well. Udemy's running some really good promotions, and it's helping out people that have really good courses that are ranked in their category. It's really helping out with the sales as well. And I make organic sales on Udemy. Affiliate sales, people are selling my course on their website, so there's a good tracking mechanism that shows you where your sales come from. And then there's also the Udemy ad platform that they actually pay to sell your course as well. So without further ado, let me jump in and show you. I did want to show the channel real quick. So here's my channel. Like I said, there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, I had 11 videos up total. And I do kind of color code them, just FYI. I color code them based on if there's just like a tactic to make money, I'm going to color those in blue. But on the stuff that I'm truly 100% doing daily in my own online business, I will highlight those in yellow. As you can see, self-publishing, freelancing, Fiverr, and Udemy. That's why those are in yellow. When I just have some other really good things to show you, those will be in blue when they're informational. And then I did have, I am going to do a follow-up video on this because I just launched my book, my 25,000 word book. I just published it this week, and so I wanted to give an update to the last video I posted. So jumping in to my Udemy results. So I'm at $2,362 as of January 13th. And if you'll look, like I was saying, if you look back at the history, back in February of 2019, I only made $23. I only had 1 course posted all the way up to about November, December is when I posted 2 courses. I actually posted 2 more courses. So as you can see, it pretty much stayed the same for about 5 months. Then it increased a little bit in July and August. Then I had my first big month in September of this year. and then it stayed about the same in October. And then all of a sudden, so the Q4, and definitely not October is part of Q4, but really getting into the holiday season, Black Friday in November really killed it. I made $534 off of one class that took me 3 hours to record in one day. I just recorded it one evening. I published it the next day. And, a year later, I've made $2,362 off of 3 hours posting a course. So, really cool. Wanted to share that with you. And then a follow-up to that in December, I had a pretty hot month as well, which is $453. And in January, we're looking at, we're almost about halfway through the month. So we're looking at, if Udemy runs another special or two, I might be looking at another $500 a month as well. So that is my results. I've been getting after it. I did post, like I said, I did post 2 more courses. I worked really hard on 2 more courses. Those are posted. I did make sales on both courses, but they they are not taking off as fast as I would like. But Udemy is definitely a long-term strategy, is what I've learned, is that, you're publishing your courses, you are building your students, and, it's more of a long-term strategy. You're not going to just post a course overnight on Udemy and then become rich. You're just not going to do that, as you can see. But you can make a pretty good side income with just publishing some things that you already know into a video course and publishing that on Udemy. So that's it for today's video. It was just more of an income report on Udemy. Thought it'd be really cool to share with you guys some of the money that I've been making on Udemy. There's been some other cool things too, where I've actually implemented a strategy on one of my courses here that I'm actually making affiliate sales on the back end. Where I've actually made an extra $230 just by posting a couple of links into my course at the very end of the course. I can also show that in another video as well. But I just wanted to show you guys I'm still here. I'm planning on posting videos weekly and really trying to focus on the YouTube channel in 2020. So if you like what you see here and you want to see some different strategies on how I make money online, please hit that subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those bell notifications so you don't miss out on my content, and hit that like button. Until the next video, thank you guys for watching.